Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The issue of a completely black screen on your Thermomix TM5 can be quite concerning. This often happens due to a faulty display or internal wiring issues. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications, making your device unusable. To resolve this, you will need a few tools, including a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, tweezers, and a replacement display. Let's begin by safely opening the Thermomix TM5. Start by unplugging the device and laying it on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the device. Be careful to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the back cover away. Next, you will want to locate the display unit. It is usually connected by a few screws and a ribbon cable. Carefully check for any signs of damage or disconnection. If you spot a fault, you will need to extract the faulty display. Make sure to disconnect the ribbon cable by gently lifting the connector with your flathead screwdriver. When removing the display, take care not to force it, as this could damage nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, with the old display removed, take your replacement display and connect it by sliding the ribbon cable into the connector securely. Once connected, secure the display in place with the screws you previously removed. Before replacing the back cover, it's a good idea to check your work. Plug the device back in and turn it on to see if the screen lights up. If all is well, switch it off again and proceed to close the device. Carefully align the back cover and reinsert all the screws, ensuring they are tightly fitted but not over-tightened to avoid damage. To prevent this issue from arising again, make sure to keep your Thermomix TM5 in a dry environment and avoid any physical impact. Regular maintenance checks can also help identify potential issues before they escalate. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.